Hi, I'm Karen from Honestly Yum, and today we're going to be making a grilled green bean salad with Todd.
I'm excited. Love green beans.
You do like green beans?
I do.
All right, good. Well, today we're going to be doing one of my favorite treatments with them, which is just grilling them. Get a little char on them. Alternatively, if weather's not good where you are, or you just don't have a grill, you can roast them on a really high heat. But the whole point is just to kind of keep that crunchy texture, but also get some smoky char flavor on them. So you're going to help me.
All right, I'm ready.
First thing we're going to do is just get some oil on the green beans and salt and pepper. And then
You're gonna throw me out on the grill.
I'm gonna throw you out on the grill, yeah.
I figured. Right here?
Yeah, so just dress it on. You can do a big pinch of salt and some pepper.
I'll go handle business. I'll see you in about 45 minutes.
Yeah. Expertly grilled.
It's a nice color.
Some char. Saving that one for later.
Nice.
So the green beans are grilled, and now we're going to make the creme fraiche dressing.
Okay.
And we'll make it in just this measuring cup. So dressings are so easy, but I never usually measure. Honestly, I just kind of eyeball it, and as you go, you start to figure out what kind of flavors work.
That's what scares me.
Yeah, but you don't need to measure it. What I do is 1/3 acid, 2/3 fat or oil. And so we're gonna use extra virgin olive oil. Of course, you can use any kind of oil, to be honest. But we're gonna do a lemon juice, olive oil, and then we're gonna add a dollop of creme fraiche, which will just make it a little bit tangier and creamier.
Nice and thick.
Yes, and then we're gonna also add in some herbs.
Okay.
So let's get started. So why don't you zest that lemon into here, and then I will work on chopping up some herbs. The herbs I also just eyeball. It's just kind of like a small handful of them. So we got dill here. We have some mint.
The whole lemon?
Yeah, the whole lemon. And some chives. Here, I can cut it in half for you. If you can just juice it.
Pro chopper.
Hurriedly.
All right.
And take all these herbs. So it's just like a small little handful, and really, you taste as you go too. So that's also why I don't really measure. It's
Okay.
So I'm just gonna eyeball this, maybe like 1/4 of a cup.
Looks good.
We're gonna do a spoonful of creme fraiche. I just do a heaping spoonful. And lots of good flake sea salt. And one thing that people, I think, don't do enough with dressings is really aggressively season them, because this is all the seasoning for your salad. I mean, you can separately season your salad, but I think that's also why some dressings can be bland. You just gotta aggressively season.
This looks delicious.
Whisk it all together. Give it a taste, see if it needs anything.
Oh.
Good.
Oh wow, really good. I like the dill.
So we're also going to be adding radishes, which adds really good crunch and brightness to it. We're just going to leave them raw. So I just like to kind of keep the tops on and quarter them and keep them kind of big, so you have lovely little radish quarters like this. And while I cut this, you can start plating out the,
No leafy greens in this salad.
No leafy greens. All veggies. And then we're also gonna add an avocado, some additional creaminess.
Always love avocados in my salad.
I'm gonna top with the radishes that we cut. And then we're also going to add some cooked wheat berries. So I've already cooked these, and so this is just some grains that will just give it more texture, and it just really makes it like a meal, you know? So I'm just gonna scatter these.
Looking good.
Okay. And then we'll just fan out this avocado. I'm also gonna be adding French feta.
What's the difference with French feta? What's the
Good question.
point of French feta?
French feta is different than Greek feta. So Greek feta is a little more hard and a little saltier.
This looks stickier.
This is just, yeah, it's just creamier, but it crumbles in the same way, and I basically sub out a lot of times and use French feta instead.
Oh, that's good
So
to know.
we can just crumble some over just a little bit.
I like cheese, so I might go overboard.
All right, so then we are going to dress it with our creme fraiche dressing that we made.
Right on top?
Yeah, right on top. And then when you serve it, you'll mix it all together. The last touch that I like to add more texture and more flavor is this Egyptian spice called dukkah or dukkah. I'm not sure how it's pronounced.
It's gotta be one of those.
It's gotta be one of those. It's really great. It's like a mix of nuts and seeds and...
Can I smell?
Yeah. and different spices. So this one has anise in it.
Smells like anisey.
And fennel. And it's got all kinds of flavors that just really kind of bring out this dish. So we're just gonna sprinkle kind of some dukkah on top. That's it.
And there we go.
Here we go.
Dig in. So then when you serve it, you mix it all together?
Right, so you just kind of mix them all together and everyone can get their own elements that they like
Great.
and create their own salad.
Can't wait to try it. Thank you.
You're welcome. For this recipe and others, go to honestlyum.com.